Hey there, thrill seekers. Welcome to our road journey from Orlando International Airport to Universal Studios, Florida. If you've ever dreamed of diving into the world of your favorite movies and shows, riding jaw-dropping roller coasters, and exploring magical lands, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to guide you step by step on how to get from Orlando International Airport to the thrilling Universal Studios Orlando. Whether you're renting a car, taking a shuttle, or using a ride-sharing services, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the easiest way to reach Universal Studios from Orlando International Airport. Exit the airport following signs for FL 528 West. Merge onto FL 528 West, also known as the Beachline Expressway. Note that there may be tolls on this road, so have some change or a toll pass ready. Continue on FL 528 West for approximately 8 miles. While you're on your journey to Universal Studios, let's dive into the magic and thrills of the park for the very first time. Whether you're a fan of blockbuster movies, heart-pounding rides, or immersive worlds, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. So, what can you look forward to on this epic journey? Let's find out. First up, step into the enchanting world of Harry Potter. From sipping butterbeer at Hogsmeade to exploring the corridors of Hogwarts and experiencing the thrill of the Forbidden Journey, it's a magical adventure like no other. Don't miss Diagon Alley. Here you can ride the exciting escape from Gringotts, witness the dragon's fiery breath, and shop for your very own wand at Ollivander's. For the thrill seekers, Universal Studios offers some of the most exhilarating rides you'll ever experience. Get ready to soar. Spin and scream on roller coasters like the Incredible Hulk and Rip Ride Rocket. But it's not just about the rides. Catch live shows featuring your favorite characters, enjoy dazzling special effects, and even get a behind-the-scenes look at how movies are made. Also meet beloved characters. Watch an entertaining street performance and join in the fun at vibrant parades. There's always something happening to keep you entertained throughout the day. Feeling hungry? Universal Studios has a fantastic selection of dining options. From quick bites to themed restaurant, there's something to satisfy every craving. So whether you're here for the thrills, the magic, or just to soak up the atmosphere, Universal Studios Florida promises an adventure you'll never forget. Planning a trip to Universal Studios is exciting, but knowing what to pack can make your day much more enjoyable and stress-free. Here's a list to ensure you have everything you need for an unforgettable experience. 1. Weather-appropriate attire. Check the weather forecast and dress accordingly. Light, breathable fabrics are great for hot days, while layers are essential for cooler weather. Also expect to walk a lot. Sturdy, well-broken-in sneakers or supportive sandals are ideal. 2. Sunscreen and sunglasses. Choose a high SPF sunscreen to protect your skin for UV rays. Apply it before you leave and reapply throughout the day. Pack a hat in order to protect your eyes and face from the sun. A wide-brimmed hat can provide extra shade. 3. Hydration and snacks. Carry a reusable water bottle. Many theme parks have water fountains where you can refill your bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. Then pack some easy-to-carry snacks like granola bars, nuts, or fruit to keep your energy up between meals. 4. Backpack or bag. Carry a lightweight backpack that can carry all your essentials comfortably. Look for one with multiple compartments and comfortable straps. 5. Rain gear. Carry a poncho or small umbrella. Florida weather can be unpredictable, so having a poncho or small umbrella can save your day if it rains. 6. Tech and accessories. Pack a phone and charger. Your phone will be your camera, map, and ticket holder, so bring a portable charger to keep it powered all day. If you prefer a traditional camera for high-quality photos, don't forget to pack it as well. Also, ensure you have your ticket's ID and any reservation confirmations easily accessible. 7. Health and safety. Pack hand sanitizer and wipes. Remember to keep your hands clean, especially before eating. A small kit with Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications can be very useful. 8. Comfort items. Cooling towels can be lifesavers on hot days. Simply wet them, wring them out, and drape them around your neck. Also, battery-operated fans can provide a much-needed breeze during the hottest parts of the day. Now, let's go over some packing tips. Pack light. Only bring what you need to avoid carrying unnecessary weight. Organize your bag by using small pouches or Ziploc bags to keep items organized and easy to find. Remember to check park policies. Check the park's website for any prohibited items or specific guidelines about bags and contents. Next, what should you leave behind? Leave expensive jewelry and non-essential electronics at home to avoid loss or theft. Avoid bringing large coolers or bulky items that can be cumbersome to carry around all day. By packing these essentials, you'll be well prepared for a fantastic day at Universal Studios. Enjoy the magic and make the most of your theme park adventure. Now back to our journey to Universal Studios theme park. Take exit 4 towards I-4 West. Merge onto I-4 West and stay on for about 2 miles. One more thing before reaching your destination. Don't forget to pack an autograph book and pen. If you're visiting with kids, an autograph book can be a fun way to collect signatures from characters. Use the right lane to take exit 75A for Universal Boulevard. Stay in the left lane to turn onto Universal Boulevard and follow signs to Universal Studios. Merge onto the right lane and follow signs to the entrance and parking lot of Universal Studios. And there you have it, your complete guide to getting from Orlando International Airport to Universal Studios Orlando. We hope these step-by-step directions make your journey smooth and stress-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for other guided travel videos. Thanks for watching Guided Travel.